Hey guys, welcome to Khong Driving. That's the new Civic just been launched, and just a few minutes ago the prices were announced. There are three variants. They have the base model with 16-inch wheels, that's the E, and that's 125,534 ringgit. Then they have the V, next step up, 138,043 ringgit. And the top of the range is the RS, which is retailed at 144,350 ringgit. Now all the variants have the 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, which now comes with more power, 182 PS and 240 Newton meters of torque. And all of them, mind you guys, all of them come with Honda sensing. That complement of Honda sensing is complete with the forward collision warning, with collision mitigation and lane departure warning, with lane keep and adaptive cruise control with low speed follow. A new feature of this is the lead car departure notification, and we did a drive of this car a couple of weeks ago in the Sepang circuit, so do watch the video. And just remember, you can also book this car through our channel Khong Driving through shop.yskhongdriving.com. Oh, a lot faster, at least 1 second faster, man. Okay guys, we are in the Honda Civic RS and we are going out onto the track. And we are, woo! Oh, it's so much different. Okay, that's the old Civic that we're on. Don't worry, it's okay. I will overtake when it comes. Okay, safe. Okay, we will do the acceleration test from here. Stop at the cone. Okay, ready? Oh no, let her go first. We gotta give a bit more time. Okay guys, whilst we are waiting, that's Cockster. And we have Aaron. Okay, so our times will be a bit slower than the others because we have 3 buffaloes in the car. Okay, this is the new Honda Civic RS with 182 PS and 240 Newton meters of torque and a sports mode for the CVT. Okay, I think it should be quite safe now. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, the lag is not as big as the previous one. We hit the 100 just before the breaking point. Oh, a lot faster. At least 1 second faster, man. Okay, good. Yeah, the engine sounds more urgent on this one. Aaron, make sure you don't shift your body. If you shift your body, you will shift the center of gravity of the car. Okay, we are supposed to do the slalom. Okay, go through the gate. Not bad. past her before she gets to the end of the road. Oh, handling is a lot better. Actually, the old one handled quite well. This one also seems to be a bit better way. I think we're also going through the corner faster. Yes, so much better, man. Oh, very stable, very stable. Okay, let's get a good run out so we can get a good top speed. Okay, let's go. Oh, so much faster, man. Bit of understeer there. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to steal one more lap.
Oh, go for it.
Very predictable. Okay, we are going in. Right, guys, that was the Honda Civic RS. I like the extra power, the stiffer chassis make the car a little bit faster and it handles a little bit better, and this is something that this model needs. So thanks for being with us, and we hope to give you more videos after this is finished.